So now we will discuss about countable noun and uncountable noun. Students, it's a very simple concept. Countable noun are those nouns which we can count in number. The noun which can be counted easily are called countable noun. Uncountable noun are those nouns which cannot be counted in numbers are called uncountable noun. Noun can be singular and plural. I have already told you. See, car is a countable noun because we can easily count the car in numbers. Car, one car, two car, three car. So car, cars. Toy, toy we can easily count one toy, two toy, three toys. So the noun which can be counted in number are called countable noun. The noun which cannot be counted in number are called uncountable noun, like strength. We cannot count in strength, we just measure strength. Mathematics, it's a subject, we cannot count mathematics, we just measure. Another concepts like poverty, we cannot count poverty, we measure poverty. Brotherhood, we cannot count brotherhood, we cannot count motherhood, we cannot count love. Okay, we cannot count milk because milk is a liquid substance, we cannot count milk, we measure milk. So the noun which cannot be counted in numbers are called uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are changed into plural form by adding s, es, ies or by some rules. Student, remember one thing, certain words do not change in plural form. Whenever more than one kind of that thing is referred to, the form of noun change to plural. There are some words which do not change in plural form, but whenever we want to talk about more than one kind of the thing, then the noun change into plural. See how? Example, plural of fish is fish. However, when we refer to more than one kind of fish, such as goldfish, mackerel, tuna, sardines, we say fishes. In the same way, plural of grass is grass. However, when we want to talk about more than one kind of crop, we can say grasses. See, there is a aquarium, there are 12 fish in a tank. It means all the fish belong to the same kind. All the fish are of the same kind in the aquarium. And here there are many kinds of fishes in the tank. It means there are different kinds of fish in the aquarium. So here we have used fishes.